Hello people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashish and you're watching World Traveling Foodie. So आज मैं एक ऐसी जगह पे आया हूँ जो मैं बहुत excited हूँ उस जगह के लिए. So whenever you guys have idli or dosa, what do you think about? You think about having it with sambar or chutney. So the place that I've come today, they don't specialize in that. They specialize in having with chicken, mutton, fish and crabs. And when I think about idli, I just think about only one kind of an idli, which is the normal one that we get everywhere. But this particular outlet, इनके पास अलग अलग टाइप की idlis है. तो basically हम आज चेक करेंगे कि ये अलग अलग टाइप की idlis होती क्या है और वो किसके साथ सर्व करते हैं. So let's go check it out. The two geniuses behind this restaurant is one is Chirag and the other one is Abhishek. Abhishek is not yet. Chirag is one of the owners who started this concept. So Chirag, what basically came to your mind? So idli, or is it that's the way how it's been? Actually, that's the way how it is eaten. If you go down south, people have non-vegetarian curries with idlis and dosa. So this concept was actually. This is what we've grown up eating. Okay. And Abhishek's Acha is married to a Kundapur family. Oh. And he has been eating this, so he's a chef. Okay. And this is what he's been eating since his childhood. Okay. And these are all our home recipes that this is the way it's actually being eaten. We have it with rotis and rice, but this is how it's being eaten down south. And we are in Pune right now, not in any of the states in south. Alright. So Chirag, what are the dishes that you recommend?
You should definitely try our Idli Chicken. That's our USP, that's a best-selling dish. You should try our mutton pepper fry with kaleji, raita and parota. You should try our chicken chettinad with coconut rice. And maybe the chicken ghee roast and dosa.
पता नहीं इतने सारे डिशेस जा पाएंगे या नहीं हमको, बट we'll try to order at least 3 to 4 dishes out of these, and I'll show you guys how it's been made in the kitchen, and then I'll show you when it's been prepared completely. चारों डिश आ गई है। ये वाला है इडली चिकन, ये इनका सबसे ज़्यादा चलने वाला डिश है। एंड दे सेड दैट दिस इज़ द यूएसपी। रेस्टोरेंट की पहचान इसी से, इडली चिकन से। दिस इज़ मटन पेपर फ्राई, दिस इज़ घी चिकन विद डोसा, एंड दिस इज़ प्रॉन्स करी विद डोसा। एक एक करके हम ट्राई करेंगे एंड आई टेल यू हाउ द टेस्ट इज। सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली यू नीड टू ईट इट लाइक ज़बरदस्त। The curry is so tasty. उसका flavor it's out of the world. You will not get this in Maharashtra for sure. It's a South Indian taste. वाह, खाने तो मुझे बाकी के भी है पर ऐसे लग रहा है यही खाते रहूँ। दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट, द पराठा एंड विथ मटन। वाह, इतना अच्छे से कुक्ड है। इट्स सो सॉफ्ट, feels like it's been cooking for a lot of time now. So very evenly cooked. This one is a ghee roast, and these are the dishes that they have recommended us. Okay. मैं जा रहा हूँ अंदर। Ghee roast and dosa, what a combination, man. Bhai saab, this one is the best. Oi, oi, oi. Ghee roast was the best till now. We still yet to try the prawns curry. Let's go in. This is made in the typical South Indian style. Oh, bhai saab. The flavor is so amazing, so amazing. ये वाला try करते हैं, this one. There's a garlicky flavor to it, like a chutney kind of thing. It's very well fried. The flavor of this prawns curry and this ghee roast chicken is the best in the world. Trust me. इन दोनों का फ्लेवर इतना गजब है ना, मैंने आज तक कभी ये फ्लेवर टेस्ट नहीं किया। This is the way they cook, I guess, in the southern part of India. So the owner Abhishek, उसकी आत्या, she is a South Indian. So they've developed this taste from them. This is what they've been eating since childhood. तो बचपन से यही खाते आ रहे हैं, and they decided to put a restaurant together. ये दोनों दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था, and trust me, it was a brilliant idea to start the restaurant. ज़बरदस्त टेस्ट है इसका, ज़बरदस्त, and the service is so fast. 2 मिनट में एक एक डिश वो बनाते हैं फास्ट एकदम, सब कुछ रेडी रहता है. दे फ्राइड द करीज आर cooked very soon and served within 10 to 15 minutes. There are different kinds of idlis as well that they make, and we just wanted to try a few dishes which they recommend. So these are the ones, and trust me, I am very happy to come here, and this food was amazing. You can see the smile on my face. It's amazing. Thanks a lot, IDLIWALE. Thanks a lot for your time. You've given your time, you've allowed us in the kitchen to see how it's been cooked, and the meal for today was amazing. Wow, what a treat to my taste buds today. What an amazing lunch. The dishes that we took were really nice. The ghee chicken was the standout, and I also like the prawns curry. And it's my personal recommendation that you guys should definitely visit IDLIWALE, which is in Viman Nagar. Look for the Air Force gate, and it's in the same parallel line, in the same lane in Viman Nagar. And trust me, the service, the staff was so good, so cooperative with us, and the order was also being prepared very soon. And so if you're hungry and looking for good food, this is the place you should come, because they won't make you wait for a long time. Jaldi dishes banate hain, and they serve it very soon. And you should come before 2:30 in the afternoon, because they close orders post 2:30. So make sure you come before that. And also it's open in the evening time, and it's a very pleasant place to be for lunch or dinner. And taste ke bare mein, there's no doubt, it's the best flavor I've tasted till date. The two dishes I'll never forget, and I am looking forward that I could taste much better flavors after this. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're still watching the video, please hit the like button. उस like button को दबा के तोड़ दो. And make sure you share it with your friends and family, and I'll be getting more videos for you in future.